Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. Have I got a video for you? If you like mixing and matching inexpensive but quality clothes with designer items, then I've got Reiss, Zara, Lilysilk and other stories. I'm going to show you how to take an outfit that doesn't cost that much and jazz the hell out of it, like turn up the expensive look. Let's start with this. Zara trousers, the best trousers I've tried on in a long time. I've been after some like this. They're kind of like a cream off-white chino. Good thick material so you don't see the lining of the pockets, which I think can be a real downside to this. Here is the first look. I really like it. I'm going to step back in a second, but I'm going to put with it these shoes because these go quite well. The bizarre thing is with this sweater, it's made out of silk and I don't know what I expected it to feel like, but it's the most beautiful quality, and the only way I can describe it, unless you've had a silk knit before, is it doesn't feel like this type of satiny silk. It feels thick, it feels very warm, but it's very thin at the same time. I mean, if you look there, there's nothing about that that looks remotely like it's silk at all. It just looks like your regular knit jumper. I'm also going to wear with it, I'm going to have the sleeves up, and I thought that I would wear with it just a plain bangle, and I'm also just going to put on with it some Chanel earrings. Chanel earrings, if you are into this kind of look, if you like brand logos and you maybe don't want to buy a bag or you don't want to run to that expense, you can wear something like Tory Burch at the moment. I've got some really beautiful, I'm going to link actually below to one in particular that I was looking at this morning. They've got some really beautiful, simple designs, but you wear that with something like this and just a pair of Chanel earrings and it really adds something to the whole look. I really like this. What do you think? The trousers were around about 25 or 30 pounds from memory. This I'm going to put the prices of below. Because some of these items they've gifted me, I'm not using affiliate links. What do you think? I really like this look. This again is a very good bag to buy if you're on a budget but you want a designer brand. I got this, I think I just got lucky because I bought this on Louisa Via Roma and there was a 30% off coupon going around at the time, so I got it for 30% off, but my god. Doesn't it look good? This is the next. This is exactly the same sweater, only it's in black. I bought with it, I cannot see it around here, I actually own two of these. I bought two of the Lilysilk white blouses, the silk ones, because they are so versatile. They go with so many different things. And one of the things that you notice when wearing silk, or at least I do, it's a really weird material because it keeps you warm but cool at the same time. It's the weirdest, most bizarrest thing. Anyway, I'm gonna wear the same trousers. I am gonna use the silver Louis Vuitton and I'm just gonna put this on round here. Then I'm just gonna change out the shoes that I'm wearing for these. These are from Chanel also. If you're like me, whereby I find it really difficult to dress down, I always feel like I don't go out full glam all the time, but what I mean is I really struggle to do the tracksuit thing. Most of the time I'm either dressed up or I'm in gym kit. I find it very difficult to do anything that's midway. But something like this, if you could even wear sneakers with this. Inexpensive top, inexpensive trousers, add whatever accessories you want to it. This is a Louis Vuitton bag, which I think is called the My Lock Me. Just a brooch if you want to do that. You could even wear like a little necktie. Oh, don't you just love it when you buy things and they turn up, particularly clothes, and you actually like them? Is that not the best feeling in the world? How many times do you order stuff and it turns up? It's like I ordered, what did I say earlier? I'm not going to order from H&M anymore. Well, I ordered a top from them yesterday. It turned up, it's white, and it's got somebody else's foundation all over it. Not just around the neck, but like all down the arms. I'm thinking, what did that person do with it? On this occasion, the fact that everything's turned up and I like it is a really good thing. This is a really good fit as well. My perfect silhouette shape. I don't like my clothes to be skin tight, but I also don't like them to be baggy because I think it can make you look quite frumpy and a bit untidy. So I prefer things that are well fitting instead. And this is very comfortable. Again, it's very warm. First time I've ever bought an And Other Stories actually. Not a bad experience so far. These are corduroy. I have not worn corduroy since I was about 8 years old, so we'll see how those go. The second from Reiss, these I really wanted to show you because these are actually a designer dupe of, I don't know what the brand is right now, but the cut that goes up the front, the vent that goes up the front, very flattering pair of trousers, particularly good if you don't like jeans and you want something that's kind of like a legging, but only the fabric's really thick so you can't like see everything. They're smart casual, they're great. And then with those, I want to work in this, my favourite colour. This is it's kind of like a mauvey pink. And I'm going to try and do this in a way that isn't like really little girl. I think that pink is such a beautiful colour, and I think get the tone right on your skin and it can work for everyone. But definitely there's a way of doing it so that it doesn't look too childish. And the other thing I'm going to put with it as well is the white silk shirt that you saw earlier. If you are wondering what has happened, I know the lights changed. I had to go out. I've come back. We're going to carry on. You know, I mentioned earlier that I bought 2 of these shirts. So this is it. Probably one of the most worn items that I have. I end up wearing it with many things, quite a lot on its own, but it's also really pleasant to wear underneath a knit sweater, and I'm going to show you a particular look that you can do with that. So for example, sometimes I might wear it just like tied, or sometimes I will just wear it loose with a jacket over the top, and I either go for things like a blazer jacket, or even you could do like a denim jacket or a leather. These silk shirts are all really quite thick, and every single one that I have is. Another one that I bought a while ago is, where is it? Here it is. This is another one that I bought a while ago. Same style as this, only it's like a deep navy blue. Can you see? You just cannot see through it at all. I don't know, this is what I mean by the quality of them. And when you wear them, somehow they warm you when you're cold and they cool you when you're warm. Don't know how that is. Anyway, then I'm going to sort out the bit underneath. And I might even just tuck this in slightly. And now for accessories, I've swapped out the Chanel earrings. We're going to Dior this up a little bit, just to add a few things. The first are these Dior earrings. Dior earrings are a little cheaper than Chanel. I think if I was only going to get one pair of earrings, either Dior or Chanel, personally I would go with Chanel. And then with this, I'm going to wear these Dior heels with this Dior bag. So in summary, the shirt and the knit. So I'm wearing the shirt, the knit, and the trousers. Trousers are from Reiss. This is another outfit that I really like. What do you think? When we talk about designer versus high street, really what it comes down to is quality. Things that normally give it away are the materials things are made of. So if I find that if materials are really too see-through, it looks cheap. That really is the difference with designer brands. The quality, the thickness of the fabric, it's kind of something they put a bit more effort into. But you can totally still look put together and expensive without having to spend loads of money. I really feel like looking at this sweater, this is so versatile. I can see so many things that I can do with this. This would also be really nice with jeans. I'm going to swap out the camel coloured sweater for black, same trousers. But I'm going to mix with it. Instead of Dior, we're going Chanel. I've got some plain Chanel heels here. So I'm going to mix in with it a bit more gold. And this is a really light tone gold. I've got earrings and a brooch. So let's do these first. This is so much fun. I feel like you're all here with me right now. And then what I want to do is I just want to add a bit of colour so it's not all completely monochrome black and white. So I'm going to add with it the Chanel Business Affinity. The gold tone on here is also the same in that it's not totally yellow gold, it's got like a mix in it. See, this is what I mean. When you get clothes that fit you, it looks so put together, it looks so classy, I think. And this is the thing, you don't have to go and spend a fortune, but at the same time, and I know there'll be people that disagree with me and I totally respect your opinion, but I'm someone who used to do all of my shopping at H&M, Primark, ASOS, and I would buy things and they would end up in the bin in next to no time. And so now what I try and do is I don't go and spend a fortune on designer stuff. I just buy things that are well made and they are in designs that won't go out of style. Let me just tuck that under. Like, this would just take me no time in the morning just to put this on and then just go. Like, there's nothing about it that's overtly to anything really. The next top that I'm trying, and I'm trying it with those corduroy trousers that I'm wearing right now, is this. I love the colour. I've kept the black Chanel earrings on. I'm going to do black and pink with this, I think, just to keep it going. I'm going to wear my Lady Dior mini bag. These trousers are slightly cropped, and what I like, they are waist height. Like, that's what I really wanted to do with this top. I wanted to wear it slightly loose, but definitely with something that cut at the waist. Hate to be annoying, this is actually a couple of years old, but I got it from, God, I can't remember. I got it from a website where they do costume jewellery, but it's all Bollywood inspired. For this next one on there, it's looking brighter than it actually is, but hang on, let me do up the neck. Because I had a couple of ideas for this. Now, I love wearing red, and I want to be able to kind of like wear it like nipped in. Now, I'm going to try it with the white Zara trousers from earlier. So the neck's kind of slouchy, but at the same time it's got this ruching. It's like all layered pieces of fabric. And then it's got tight, it's really, really subtle, but it's got puff shoulders. I think that's quite a nice outfit, but it's really pretty. And now the final thing, the thing you've all been waiting for, or maybe not, but I have. I would actually wear this in the evening, as I'm going to show you, with a pair of heels, skinny jeans or trousers, and then a blazer over the top. But what I'm going to do, I've put with it just a YSL cuff, and then just a hair grip as well, just to add something. These, I really love these hair slides that are the thing at the moment. It looks really nice. I really like this. I hope that this has given you all some ideas. Has it? Now, I have linked to everything below. Because the 2 items that were given to me from Lilysilk were given to me, I've decided to not use any affiliate links for anything from Lilysilk. So everything else, all the stuff that I bought, none of those links are affiliate, and I will see you in the next video.